Today I'm going to show you how to make big head effect in Canva. After uploading your image, drag it to the design, resize it to fit the page, and duplicate, edit image, remove the background, go to the editing, and erase all the body and keep just the head. And go back and resize, and remove the background from the first image as well. Download as PNG with transparent background. Upload it. And now you can apply the outline. Edit image, scroll down to shadows, outline, change the color to white, and here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.